Good morning, fellow E39 owners. This is a fix that worked on my BMW E39 540i. It may not work on all E39s. I think it was specific to my my electronics in my car. I'll just show you this BMW Professionals RDS. What would happen was when I first got it, the radio would work, and then all of a sudden it stopped working, and 5 minutes later it'd come back. I didn't know if it was wiring. I had the wires checked, speakers checked, everything I could think of checked, and then all of a sudden it started working again. And gradually over a couple of months it got really bad, where it wouldn't work for a couple of hours, or probably not all day, not at all during the day. So I looked around, couldn't really find, after doing checks, electricians having a look around. And what happened was looked up a few forums. They said it might be, and I'll just come and show you, it might be that thing there, that amp. That was the cause. I did actually go to Wreckers and get another one, tried it, worked great for 5 minutes. Just as I was leaving, it turned off again, so I just took that one back, and I ordered off eBay a couple of these beauties. The reason I ordered two, actually three, because I found one really cheap overseas. I think it was like 70 US delivered or something like that. The other one I think was like 50 Aussie and $30 delivery. And the one that's in there now that worked fine was the one I think was from Italy. That was cheap price. So I thought, stuff it, I just get a couple, get a spare. I didn't actually want the other one, but I thought, why not, won't hurt, just in case, because you might have this sort of problem with being, you know, a 96, so 25 years old sort of thing, over 25 years, where it probably will go on you like the other one as well. This, I think this is just a mod someone did, adding amps or speakers. I don't know what they did, but I never got, once this one worked fine, the one in the car now, I just left these as spare. So if anyone wants one, hit me up. If not, that's about it. That worked fine for me. Just replaced the amp, and the radio volume, everything started working fine. Just give that a demonstration. It is so, hang on. Oh, that's not good. I think I have a flat battery. Well, there you go then, typical BMW. Battery's gone dead, so what we'll do is leave it there, and if you've got any questions, just ask, leave a comment. Thanks very much. Okay, we're back, and battery's charged, radio's working. Just put it on for a second and turn it down, because the other video I uploaded had copyright rules on the song that was played. So as you can see, it's working. Hopefully this one won't get banned or limited to what countries can see the videos. See if it helps them. I just turn that down. Let's see if I can remember. There we go. Where is that? Memory 1. Set. There we go. All these little extra equalizer buttons. Oh, hang on, hit the wrong button there. There we go. There's the equalizer. Look, if you can see that each one you can adjust. It's quite fancy when you think about it. But yeah, hopefully this one will work, and it's working fine. And I just put this one up, and hopefully they'll allow it. Thanks for that.